Louis, where travel troubles continue. It'll get better throughout the day, but it's been just a pileup of delays over at Lambert International Airport. We know hundreds of flights were canceled yesterday as a result of the nasty weather. The chaos will continue today because you have folks that are now stranded in St. Louis trying to get to another destination. So I'm sure frustration's running high. But what are you going to do? Joining us live with the very latest is Fox Weather Storm Specialist, meteorologist Mike Seidel. And Mike, I know Ari was here with you over the weekend. And at one point, Mike, I also caught you speaking to a pizza delivery guy that got stuck in the snow. But the reality is we're still ordering in, even on a day like today when school is closed. It's too frigid to go outside. But the road behind you, not sure what interstate that is, it looks relatively clear. Like crews did a good job.
Well, I can tell you one thing, it's clear of cars this morning because the rush hour has been a no-go, which is great. Millions, well, thousands stayed home in Metro St. Louis because basically everything is closed. This is I-70. Traffic coming towards the camera is westbound towards KC. Right here in the foreground, this is the eastbound lanes, and you can see there's still some snow. And what they do is they put down some kind of a gravel to give you some friction. But just up here, just a little bit up here, the lane is snow-packed and snow-covered. I don't know if, yeah, you get over the fence there, and you can see that. And you can see the westbound lanes. There goes the Southwest jet taking off from STL right now. They are de-icing out there. The report from the airport at the top of the hour, still some light snow. I'm right across the street. I don't see any right now, but effectively it's done here. 8 to 9 inches at the airport. Most of that yesterday was sleet. I mentioned this earlier. Yesterday, the liquid melted total precip was 1.87 inches. Now, 10 to 1, that would be almost 19 inches of snow. What did we get yesterday officially? 5.6 inches of snow and sleet compacted down, much like you saw a little bit with Brandy in Louisville. But then we had another 3 to 5 inches of pure powder overnight. Speaking of the airport, yesterday not a good day, 70% of departures canceled. Today, a better day, 40% canceled. But so far, if you take departures and arrivals, about 160 flights have been canceled. We're going to pan up overhead now and look at this. We got a bunch of geese. They're not really flying south, they're flying east. Look at that. Isn't that a pretty sight up there against the stratus this morning? You never know what you're going to see when you look up. Now, the side roads like here, look at this. This is Natural Bridge, which goes down to the interstate on-ramp, and look at the condition here. What they're trying to do is minimize the thickness of the snow and ice, because without any salt, they're not going to get any melting today. Our temperature is 19 with a wind chill of 6. We're not going into much above, say, 23 or 24. Maybe we get a little help from the sun, and the upcoming week is going to be bitter cold, not record-setting, but we're talking lows in the single numbers and highs in the 20s. So little, if any, melting, especially on the shady side of the street. And Marissa, I'm going to ask you, what do you think was open this morning at 4 a.m.? And this is not a trick question.
I think was open. Well, it has to be coming out of St. Louis. I don't know, like an IHOP, a Waffle House, 7-Eleven.
Yes!
What? Which one? Which one?
Waffle House.
Yes. A Waffle House.
I miss Waffle House so
go.
much, Mike. They don't have it up here in the Northeast. It's brutal.
Yeah, well, I know. The Waffle House right up the street here was open. I went by there at 4 a.m. and got me a nice hot meal to get me going for this chilly morning in St. Louis. But I want to tell you, that is about, you know, those kind of places, about the only thing open. There's, as you can see, it's, 8:40 Central Time, and this is a major east-west interstate. You normally would see a lot of cars going towards downtown St. Louis, but it has been just minimal today, which is great because people are taking heed of the road conditions. And again, with everything closed, people are staying home, maybe working from home today, and schools are closed too.
Yeah, it's one day. Just, you know, give it a little time to get everything a lot safer and get back to it on Tuesday.
Yeah.
All right, Mike, great stuff as always. Thank you so much for the report. We'll check back.
Last time he